retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boy, you look with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact.
So a lot of traffic. Sometimes I think they do that on purpose, but wanted to let you know the settings. I had custom mode, I had a sport, track for the suspension, and I believe touring for the guess I feel the steering wheel. So it could have been a little bit, could be a little more firmer, but again, I don't want to break any laws. I'm on the street, so just kind of give you a general idea of what it sounds like in the Scat Pack. Haven't driven or did a video on the Scat Pack in a while. It's a great car. I feel like I stole it for the price that I paid for it in 2019, brand new, compared to what they're going for now, if you can find one on the dealer lot. But I enjoy mine. Got about 5,635 miles. I work from home, so I don't really get a chance to drive it every day, except for when I really want to enjoy it. Plus, of course, you know, I have the C706 too at the same time. But it's an awesome looking car, awesome driving car. Of course, you know, gas mileage is up. I'm sorry, the gas is sky high now. But I put in an auto eco mode if I'm on highway, and it gives respectable gas mileage. I mean, it's not the best, but you know, it's not the, you know, could be much worse. But I really enjoy it, guys. So hope you liked this video. Got on a little bit, so you got to hear the exhaust. I do have a mid muffler delete. Hellcat lower airbox, get some more air into it. Then I took the cap off of the intake. Pretty much that's about it. So it's pretty much, you know, stock for the most part. But I mean, it got the K&N air filter if you want to add that to it. But stock exhaust, everything else. So it's drives pretty good. Like I said, I love it. Yeah, haven't had any issues with it, and it's very comfortable. And like I said, if you guys want to know a little bit more about it, you know, there's some modern mods to it. Aesthetic, obviously. You can definitely check out some of the previous videos. But anyway, guys, all right, take care. Hope you enjoy your Saturday, and hope you enjoy your cars.